Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, I'm back one more time. I had to show you a little bit of ride video because I've been doing all these in the office videos. I finally got my lighting fixed out here, but I'm back and I got one more unboxing video for now before I get into the tank emblem install and into the audio stuff. Time to start breaking the bike down. But this big boy came in and I've been waiting from this. I've been hitting El Cajon. I think it's San Diego, no, it's El Cajon, California, up for some parts and stuff lately. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna jump right into it, cut into this for this unboxing, for this beauty that I've been waiting on. So let's get started. Let's see what we got here. I think I know what it is. Not too many things come in boxes this big. All right, a lot of bubble wrap. Okay, here's a hint. Here's a hint. What we got going on right here. Oh, that's premium leather. Okay. All right. Leather strap on a bracket. Watch your mind, y'all. Watch your mind. Watch your mind. Oh, boy. Thank you for purchasing authentic Indian motorcycle accessories. You're welcome. Truly. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo! Oh yeah, baby. Ha ha ha. It is what it is, and it be what it be. I am gonna be cooler. Ah. Woo. Yes, sir. Ah. Yeah, buddy. Says Indian right up top. This is the Indian heated and cooled. Cooled, y'all. Heated and cooled seat. Oh, it feels so soft in this leather. This is way... Oh, this is not the same material that's on the seat that's I've been putting miles on. I can tell you that much right now. I can't wait to hook this up. Both the front and the back are heated and cooled. I've never ridden a passenger on this bike. And my queen rode on me in the back when I had my 109, but this, oh, this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be nice. So, won't be many more unboxing videos. Starting into wrenching on the bike, how to take the front fairing off, get into the audio stuff. I also got to hook the seat up, and as much as I like that Brave Wolf tank emblem, I went with the more unique and less seen Erebus emblem. So it's going to be a process to take that off and then add the Erebus one. Those are some of the next content that I've got coming up. Thanks for hanging out with your boy RC. Don't forget, like, subscribe if you like the content that's coming. We'll cut out to a little bit more riding, just so you know I do more than put parts on bikes or just make videos of parts coming for bikes. Yeah, that's it. Again, like and subscribe. Y'all be safe. Take care. Deuces.